Is this another basket? It's from Mom and Poppy and Aunt Candace. What is it? Another basket.
Ball.
Yeah, there's a ball in there?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh no! Preston, look what else they got. You got a present. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Can you open the paper? Let's see, we'll get it open. Go ahead.
Ball.
Oh, you want the ball?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay!
Ball.
Ball, right. Is that an Easter egg ball? Do you hear it? Is there something in it? Look how funny these eggs are. Ooh. These are hard balls to throw, huh? Uh-oh, is that open? Good job. Is there something in them? What else? A baseball?
Big. Big.
What is it?
Big.
Jelly bean?
Yeah.
Preston, Bentley, watch
Bentley.
out. Is he okay eating that?
Well, he
Chew?
mashes it down and doesn't just swallow it. I usually squash it
Look.
down first.
Good job. Is it good?
Mm.
Say thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Love you.